Welcome to number 2. This one is geometry and it's fairly simple in its explanation, but we need to realize that when we're finding the volume of an object, we need to find the area of whatever its base is. In this case, the base is a circle, and then we multiply the area times the height, or however much is underneath that base, or of course, we can also consider over the base, whichever one you're looking at. But know that the top and the bottom are the same shape. They are a circle. And volume is simply area times whatever else is left in the shape, and that is the height. So we're looking at a candle in the shape of a cylinder with these dimensions. Now, if we are using a circle and it gives us a diameter of 5 inches, we need to remember that the area of a circle is found by saying pi times the radius squared, or pi r squared. Now, here's the catch. It gave us a diameter of 5. If we remember, the diameter is 2 radiuses, or radii, which is half the diameter. That's r right there. That's a radius. So we need to find out what is half of 5 to get the radius so we can square it. So the radius is going to be 1/2 of the diameter. In this case, it's 5. So our radius will be 2.5. All right. So now that we have our radius, we can find the area of the circle. However, remember, we are finding the volume of this entire shape. So there's one more part we need to factor in, and that is, of course, the 8 inches. So the volume of the cylinder, I'm going to use this little circle shape as our cylinder. The volume of our cylinder is going to be the area of the circle, pi r squared, times the height of the shape. Okay, so now volume is going to be pi, which we can use 3.14, times the radius squared, so that's 2.5 squared, and then all of that times 8, since it gives us 8 inches for the height of our candle. All right, so first, let's figure out what 2.5 squared is, because we need to follow our order of operations. And our order of operation tells us that we do parentheses and exponents. Now, there's nothing inside this parentheses but one number, 2.5, and inside this parentheses, just 8. So we don't need to do anything with those two. However, we do have an exponent of 2. So we're going to say that the volume right now is 3.14 times 2.5 squared, which is 6.25. If you have a calculator, you can find that out. Now, if we multiply 6.25 times 3.14 and then multiply it again by 8, we're going to get a nice round number of 157 cubic inches. And remember, since we are finding volume, it is mentioned in terms of cubic units. So that's our answer. The volume of our candle is 157 inches cubed.